Hello everyone, my name is Mike and I'm one of the moderators at the Stock and Options Room with ShadowTrader. One of the things that really helped me in my trading journey towards profitability was when I came to the point where I accomplished taking a truly objective stance when I looked at my charts. It's often very easy to come to a market with a bias, whether it's conscious or unconscious, and often it is unconscious. And I have to constantly check myself for any kind of an undercurrent of bias that is messing up what I might otherwise see in the chart. And I know there's a lot of people that are very bullish gold. But what I want to point out right here is that I think that we may be seeing at least the early stages of a necessary pullback. We've had a pretty strong move here. And you can see by these monthly candles that the advancement has slowed in its ability to hold a newer high. And when we see that, and then we've come to the top of the channel here, and then go to a weekly, actually I might be able to just go down to a daily chart here. Here's a weekly chart. We can see the same thing, and we've got it now a couple things going on here. We have a candle here that is a rejection candle. And we have a divergence in the RSI where a new high made in price did not create a new high in the oversold area of the RSI. That is definitely something that I feel needs to be paid attention to when studying a chart. And so if we take this down now to a daily scale, what I'm seeing here is that this chart formed a high and then broke back down into this level. I actually wish that I had seen this earlier today because I would have probably taken a short in this position in the GLD short right here. But it's still actually pretty doable. We haven't moved that far away, and all a person has to do is size the trade accordingly. So either shorting some shares of the futures or even a micro future. I'm looking at possibly buying a put option here to see what this might mean. But it's certainly a right in, right out structure. And the fact that it's tested this level twice, punched through it, but only could spend 3 days up here against this channel top, and now we are down here. I would have to say that there's a decent chance that we could move back down into this level right into here. So even if it doesn't go that far, and you don't want to hang into it that tight or that long, I would say that there's still an opportunity here for a short trade, and that's what I'm looking at. I'm not saying that gold is going to collapse and that the bull run is over, but there's definitely some signs here that we're weakening here. Especially when we see this on the RSI. I don't even need the RSI to tell me that. I can see it right here, this failure right here. But take a good look at this and see what you think. But there might be an opportunity here for many of you out there who like to trade gold. Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the moderators for the new ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room. Thank you for joining me for this video today. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe buttons below. You know, I'd like to invite you to join me in the new Stock and Options Room. We've got some good trades going, studying some great charts and learning some great stuff together. In general, there's a lot of great content there that I think you would benefit from. So, until then, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.